In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly integrate Chilexpress with your Shopify store. Kickstarting the process is the need to obtain Chilexpress credentials. For those who do not already have them, your first port of call is to sign up for a Chilexpress account. During the registration process, you will be provided with necessary account details, as well as API credentials which are indispensable for this integration. On the other hand, if you are already a registered user of Chilexpress, then getting your production keys comes next on your to-do list. Simply get in touch with your Chilexpress account manager or reach out to their support and request for the important production keys. The next move in your quest to integrate Chilexpress with your Shopify store is to install an appropriate shipping app. For this, you'll want to head over to the Shopify App Store. Once there, your mission is to scout for a competent Chilexpress integration app. An excellent choice is the pluginhive app due to its credibility and easy-to-use interface. Following your appropriate selection, proceed to install the app to your Shopify store. This process is usually straightforward, but if doubts creep in, do not hesitate to reach out to Shopify support. With the app now installed, the next stage involves configuring this app properly. To do this, navigate your way to the settings within the app. Please give this undivided attention as it resides within your Shopify dashboard and thus is crucial to successful integration. These settings are where you will have to input the Chilexpress account details and production keys accrued from the preceding stages. Once done, ensure you hit the Save button, as this completes the connection process between Shopify and your Chilexpress account. Finally, you can now manage your shipping with unprecedented ease. The integrated app is engineered to automatically display real-time Chilexpress shipping rates at your Shopify store's checkout. Generating and printing Chilexpress shipping labels is now a function that can be executed directly from your Shopify admin panel, adding another layer of convenience to your business operation. To cap it all, the app comes with a nifty feature. It can automatically mark orders as fulfilled, and, following this, send tracking information to your customers through an email. The icing on the cake is that updates get sent as the status changes, providing your customers with a seamless and enjoyable online shopping experience. By following these steps, smoothly integrating Chilexpress with Shopify will be a breeze.